Hi guys, let's do the bobble stitch together. So there's Pippin, she's our old lady, making her appearance. So it's pretty easy. What we're gonna do is yarn over, we're gonna insert into the indicated stitch and draw up a loop. So now I have 3 loops on here. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, insert, draw up a loop, yarn over, and draw through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, draw up through 2 loops, 2 more times. Yarn over, insert, draw through 2 loops. Last time, yarn over, insert, draw through 2 loops. Now I have 6 loops on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Yarn over and draw through all loops. And then we're going to just make it pop by adding 1 chain. And then I'm going to single crochet into the next stitch, but you do what you have to do on your pattern. And I'll show you that again really quickly. So there's our first bobble. Some people call it a popcorn. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops, 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 and let's see here. Okay, one more time because we want to have 6 loops all together on our hook. It gets a little tricky here towards the end. There we've got 6. Draw through all loops and make it pop with a chain. It sort of just secures it all in there. And I'm single crocheting into the next one, and now you just sort of want to pop it out with your fingers there, just make it stand out a little bit, and that's it. That's how you do the bobble. Thanks for joining me. See you later.